everybody, welcome back. Yes, I went to Walmart again. Thank you guys for the input for the video that I did yesterday. Here's the thing, I'm just gonna say it hurts for me to type because I use my fingers constantly, and typing is the one thing that really strains my fingers out. And a lot of you guys like the printable breakdowns, but there are reasons, and if you have followed me for years, you know there's reasons why I don't like doing printable breakdowns. But I seem to, a lot of people seem to like to screenshot the deals that I have. So what I'm going to continue doing is kind of do what I did way back years ago when I first started doing the Walmart Ibotta hauls, like 5 years, 6 years, maybe 7 years ago. And I'm just going to kind of do it that way. But there are times I will not be able to do it. Either I am completely busy and I just want to get the video up for you guys. But thank you for the input. I will still put deals up on TikTok, just a little bit different ways too. But I needed 10 rebates. I was not going to finish that challenge. I was like, I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to get it. And then between the last 2 weeks, I'm like, you know what? There might be a chance I might get it. Well, then when I went to Walmart yesterday, I'm like, I only need 10 more rebates. And I was gonna hit it. I was gonna hit it, but my store that I shopped at normally did not carry like some of the items that I got today. There's 3 or 4 items that my store did not have. So I'm like, well, we'll just go and get them. So I'm gonna share with you guys the deals that I got to get my $15 challenge bonus. So the first deal, you guys know what I'm going to keep doing, is the diaper deal. I got those coupons for it. You can stack it with the deal. I think I've done this 4 times, so I have either one more reset and that is it. And I think I have one more coupon. So I am taking full advantage of the Love's diaper deal because my daughter is still in diapers. And my brother is going to be having a baby soon, so I want to start saving diapers up for them. As long as they're not brand loyal. I'm not. I don't care, but I find these are pretty good for, you know, brand names. So these were $5.47. I used a 3 off of 2 P&G insert coupon, paid $7.94, but then you get a $3 rebate back with Ibotta, making it $4.94 or just $2.47 for this. You also want to make sure you submit your receipt to the P&G website, so you guys get points for that. And there is a deal with Brand Club. Like I said, I'm still trying to figure out how to use that app. A couple of you guys have complained to me about it, and like I said, it's going to take me a while before I figure out all the details on it. But it sounds like you get money for buying products, but then when you buy it, you don't get it right away. So, you know, yeah, that's all I'm going to say about the website because I don't quite know all the details for it. I ended up getting the Dove wipes. I was going to get these yesterday, but my store was sold out. These were $1.56. You pay $1.56 with it. But with Shopkicks, there is a 520 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.08. So this right here becomes a 52-cent moneymaker. I had another nephew born the other day. My brother and sister-in-law, my husband's brother and his wife, had a baby last week. So I am going to be giving some baby stuff to them. So I got that. They don't want the diapers, which otherwise I would have gave them some diapers. But that is okay. Everybody prefers different things. I learned as I had both of my kids. So I did the Crest Toothpaste deal. My store did not have either of these. They also had the Colgate toothpaste that I was thinking of getting, but it was going to be like $2. And I'm just like, do I want to do that? I'm like, no, we'll just do it this way. So both of these were $6.97. I used two $2 off coupons from the P&G, so there's 2 different coupons. You would end up paying just $4.97, but then there is a $4 rebate for the Densify, and there's a $4 rebate for the Professional Whiter Teeth. You guys would just get these for 97 cents. Now usually we say do not pay for toothpaste, but when it's like expensive toothpaste, like this kind of specialty stuff, I think paying $1 for this is still a decent deal. You know, so we'll see how it goes. I'm excited to try these. I always keep the more expensive toothpaste for myself, but you know, you got that. Okay, got one more bag for you guys. So this store, I don't like using paper printable coupons. I've couponed there in the past a couple times, and the lady's like, if it doesn't scan, we don't use it. and I'm just like, I don't want to deal with that. So, and majority of your stores are just like that too. So I ended up relying on coupons.com, the app. So I got some more of the cereal. I scanned it before I make sure I bought it. So this was $2.56. There is a $1 off printable coupon, or there is a $1 off digital coupon in the coupons.com app. But with the printable coupon, you'd pay $1.56. Without that coupon, you'd pay $2.56. But with Ibotta, there is a $1 rebate. And then you submit your receipt for a $1 rebate with the coupons.com. This comes out to be just 56 cents. So you got that. And then I did the baby jars. Again, make sure you scan them because some of them are kind of wonky. I don't know why, but I would just get the apples. I know the apple ones, the green beans I was having problems with. So anyways, these were 98 cents each. You guys either want to use that $1 off a 3 printable coupon. You would pay $1.94, but then you can submit a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta times 3, and then you can submit your $1 off a 3 rebate with coupons.com depending on how you pay for it. So these just come out to be just $1.19 or 59 cents each, so that's a pretty decent deal. And I did get apple because my kids eat apple. Well, my daughter, I want her to eat applesauce. She loves everything except the texture bothers her. I searched the store high and low for this. These are the Twix bars. These were 98 cents. You pay 98 cents for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate for this, making this just 48 cents. And then I ended up getting the Butterfinger. These were 98 cents. You'd pay 98 cents for it, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta. So these just come out to be 73 cents. So I just got those. I ended up getting the Spark soda. This was $1.98. You pay $1.98 for it, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.48. Now, I tried the one with 0 sugar, and to me it tasted kind of weird, but I don't like diet soda. There's just something I can taste without it, and I have yet to try the one with the sugar, so I'm excited to try that. But I love, it's raspberry lemonade, and I absolutely love pink lemonade, so, and I like blue raspberry. And then this is the last item I got. I ended up getting the Gatorade Zero. I was going to get this yesterday. Oh no, I got one more item for you guys. I was going to get this yesterday, and then I'm just like, I don't know if I want to get this. But this was $5.98. You'd pay $5.98 for it. But then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. You also get 1,000 points with Fetch Rewards for buying one kind of Gatorade product. Or no, you get 1,000 when you spend $5, and then you get 750 points when you purchase this product through Fetch. So that's $1.75 you get back. So it comes out to be just $2.73 a bottle, or $2.73 together, or 68 cents each. And I think that's a pretty good deal. So I got that. And then I got the last item. I've been wanting to get this, but my store has not carried this. This is the Schick Intuition Bamboo. Now, all my stuff reset except the Schick deals, so I decided to get this. I did not have a paper coupon, but I did scan it, and there's actually 2 different coupons that popped up in the coupons.com app. But this was $5. I think it was $5.97 or $5.98. But you'd pay, you either pay $1.98 or you'd pay $5.98 depending on what the coupon you use. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this, making this just 2 cents of a moneymaker. So you submit your receipt for the $4 rebate with coupons.com, or you use that coupon, but it comes out to be a 2-cent moneymaker. So you guys will get this bamboo one for free. And this is the women's. The men ones don't scan. So that was my haul, you guys. My total came to $40.83. $40.83 for 12 items. That's crazy. But with Ibotta, I did receive $17.50 back with everything. With coupons.com, I received $6 back, and I got the money back right away. With Shopkick, I received 520 points, which is $2.08. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,845 points, which is $1.84. And then I received the Treasure Chest bonus where I needed 60 rebates to get 15 bucks. And I was surprised I got it. So I got $15. So everything here came out to be a $1.59 moneymaker. A $1.59 moneymaker. If I didn't have that treasure bonus, I wouldn't have done this deal, but I wanted to hit that, and I am pretty happy with what I got. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. I'm going to kind of keep it this way and hope you guys enjoy it too. And then maybe I'll figure out different ways with TikTok. But again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.